Hello friends, this is Nirmal from nirmaltv.com, and today we are going to review the Tilt power plan. Tilt power plan is actually a portable battery charger for your smartphones and tablets. So basically the power plan comes in three variants. One is the micro USB cable, and the second one is for iPhone 4 and 4S, and there is also a third version for iPhone 5. So the one we are currently going to review is the micro USB cable. So this micro USB cable version can be used to charge your Android and Windows phones or even Android tablets. So on the build quality front, the product is really amazing, and the plastics used are really good. You can see it provides a glossy fit and finish to the product, and even the small minor things have been taken care pretty neatly, and it's really handy to carry as well. You can even carry it in your pocket. So now the charging slots are actually closed on the top portion, and if you pull this rubberized mechanism, you can see two slots. The first one is for this is a micro USB one. This is used to charge the power plant, and there is a second one. This is a normal USB cable. Which can be used to charge your smartphone. And if you see here, there is a the flex charging arm. This is actually a patent pending technology, so as per Tilt. So if you just pull this out, you can see this has a micro USB charging option. So the advantage of this flex arm is that even if you forget your normal USB cable for your phones, you can still charge it using this flex arm. This flex arm is the one which separates all the three variants. So if for a iPhone 4 and 4S variant, this will have the charging cable suited to that phone. So this is again a rubberized material. You can just pull it into any direction and it won't just break off. So overall the build quality, fit and finish is really good. Now to start charging your phone, you can just push this into your phone. When you just push it into your phone, you can see it is charging now. You can see your phone charging now, and when you pull this off, the charger gets automatically switched off, because there is no mechanism to switch off and switch on your power plant. So basically this is done automatically. So now to charge your power plant, you have this cable provided in the box. Just insert this cable, and you can use any standard USB port to charge the power plant. Normally it takes around 6 to 7 hours to charge this power plant. And once the charging is complete, you can check out the remaining charge using the button below. So if you press this, you can see 4 LED lights which shows the amount of charge remaining. So this the capacity of this charger is around 5200 mAh, which means you can charge two smartphones or one 7-inch tablet. Generally the smartphones, high-end smartphones are around 2000 to 2200 mAh. So generally normally you can charge two high-end smartphones using this charger. And this is really a good product if you are looking for a pretty compact and portable battery charger. And this is available in three variants, as I mentioned already. And the micro USB version is priced around $69, and the iPhone 4S version is around $75, and 5 version uh, is around $89 if I'm correct. So based on your requirement, you can order it from Tilt. And even though it's a bit pricey when compared to your normal, you can even get cheaper variants, but this the one which separates is the really good build quality. And even the flex arm is a really handy thing to have, and even if you forget your USB charger. So that's all, guys. Stay tuned for more action from nirmaltv.com. Thanks for watching.